Change the lights to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Like she broke her neck.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I got a nice beautiful car my buddy just bought. This is a GLE63s 2025, one of the newest ones. This car has 180 miles on the dot. It's brand new. I mean, you can tell this thing is fully loaded. Look at the brakes. Beautiful color, beautiful. So we're gonna do a POV drive, and I'm gonna review this car later. Check out the channel if it's out, but I will drop a review on this vehicle. For now, we're gonna do a POV drive in the city. We got a lot of nice cars out, and the light on this is insane. This is the interior, and we're gonna do a nice POV drive of this interior at night. I think there's not a better time but to do a night POV on this vehicle because it shows so many features. You want to go to Beham? Yeah.
Bro, you should turn your color red in here.
Here's the color.
I swear to God, it's gonna make it crazy.
Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
Hello, I'm Mercedes, your voice assistant. Would you
Change the lights to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Iron Man. Should have went to the next one because there's construction at this one. Well, no, you can actually go through. It kind of feels like a G-Wagon in the back. Like the exhaust, yeah, it rumbles like a G-Wagon.
Yeah, it does rumble really nice. It's like nice and deep.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Wow. Wow.
It's a badass G. Colors.
I thought you guys were talking about something else.
No, I was talking about that too.
What were you guys looking at? I missed it. Okay, right there.
Is it?
Oh, no. What do you mean? Hellcat earlier.
I want to see this versus a Hellcat Durango. Or a
That
Tricop.
beats it.
Yeah, it
Oh, I
does
see
beat it.
it beats
It's
it.
crazy.
What about a Tricop?
I don't know about Tricop.
I think it'll be close.
It's RT, my damn, that middle. It ain't the
Oh,
star.
that sounds so good.
It ain't the star. Whose last name is it? It's a kind of big one. So.
It is.
Yo, like she
I know,
broke her
she
neck.
Broke her neck.
Crazy.
Especially for Big
She
Drew.
either
They
broke
both,
another neck.
look, and they both are. Damn, you like it that much? Like shit. Mike,
they
they probably
all-
don't even see you in this bitch, Mike.
Huh?
They probably don't even see you in this bitch because how far back you are.
No, she was looking at me.
You shouldn't tint this car right away.
I don't want to. I
Yeah.
want to keep it like, you know, I'm gonna show you out. Let me see Big Drew. That's it. Oh, look at that. Hey, you know, like, you know how many looks I've been getting?
For real?
I swear to God, the bitches love it. The bitches love the color. Hey,
Hey, Drew.
No, take a right or go straight.
Up to you. I'll go straight by looks. Or go to mobile over there, marathon. No.
No, I like Sean more.
That mobile is
Then
fire.
That mobile is fire, yeah. After, it's next.
A lot of nice cars pull up there. You know that the Ferrari pulled up to when I left Taco Bros?
Mm-hmm.
I tried to
It's
race
parked up right down there.
the white one.
Yeah, it's by Birmingham now. When I saw it earlier. Right when you left, when I was coming
Can you change the display real quick? One more time. Do the sandy one.
to you. Sandy one.
Look at this. All right, so show us the options real quick, brother.
So guys, let's get into the infotainment center. We got the multicolor ambient lighting system.
Show us the colors real quick, the differences.
So let's go to the bar. I'll show you this purple. It's like bluish purple to red,
Even by the seats.
green.
So what's the multicolor?
So if you want to see the multicolor, you'll go to something like, I'll go to this one. And if you look at the door handles, see how those are blue?
Yeah.
See, it shows you the areas that will be blue on the picture. So the floor, this area, and then the sides will be pinkish. And then you could do yellow.
So is it more than two colors?
Yeah, do you
No
see it?
way.
Blue and then yellow. Yellow in the door handles, on the floor. Look underneath you right now.
Yeah, I see.
Or on the side, on the side.
Yeah. So it's what, 3 colors or 2 colors?
2 colors.
Oh,
so
okay.
we could do this like
blue and red.
Red in the handles. Red in the handles. You see the red?
Yeah.
And the blue and the red on the floor. I like, this is where it's at though.
That's your favorite color?
Yeah.
It's pretty strong.
So we'll go to massages. We got massage seats, hot, relaxing massages, workout massages, just classic seats. We have side bolster support, lumbar, all from the screen. Move
nice.
that all in different type of areas. We have heating settings. This is a really cool, not many of them are option with this, but this has the heated and additional surface areas. It has the armrests that are heated,
Yeah.
and the armrests on the door panels are heated, which are really cool.
Aren't your cup holders cool
And-
too?
Yeah, if you go here, we have the,
Right there.
and then we also have the heating feature.
Oh, no way. It can heat up. Wow.
gesture detected driver. Select your. I don't know that yet, guys. We do have the
What?
the lean over effect. I guess if there wasn't a passenger, it has the lean over effect, so a light would turn on and it would show me, like, you know, in the dark area.
Yeah.
Go to the home screen. We can go to performance.
All right.
We also have the
IWC watch. This is my favorite part. This is crazy.
So, you know, you could use it as your standard watch, but you could also use it as a time watch. So you click that, start the timer. You could tap it to stop it.
Just like a real watch.
Bottom button to restart. Which is pretty cool. The consumption page.
Yeah. How much are you averaging? 700.
We could go to right here, this button right here in the climate control. This is what will bring up your climate pages. You just click that real quick. Your climate controls, you could do that. You could turn on your heated steering wheel.
You can control the second row from the front too?
Yep.
Because I noticed I got one here.
Yeah, so you do have 4 zone climate control.
Yeah.
In the back as well. And if you want to turn on your heated steering wheel, you have that option right here, or you have it on the side of your steering wheel on the back end.
What about the air freshener? How do you control that?
So you would go to air quality. This car is built in with a ionizer, so when you are driving, it will give you fresh air inside of the car. And then you also have the fragrance on. We have that at 1 bar, so we could turn that on to 3. It'll start pumping that, you know, fragrance out.
Does it pump it with the ventilation?
Yep.
Wow.
Maybe if I put it up, maybe you could smell a hint of it. But
are you gonna put Dior in there?
if they got it, we will. But
wow.
What I'm gonna do is, I can kind of smell it. I swear.
I smell it. Yeah, it's pretty strong.
You smell it?
I like it.
Wow, pretty nice. So we'll keep that on 1. We keep the airflow at like 1 as well. You know, you got all these vents, keeps beautiful airflow in this car. So what's really cool is we do have a built-in dash cam. We do need actually get a USB just for it to start recording.
An SD?
Yeah, USB. Yeah, we just got to plug a USB in and it'll start recording. But what is really cool is we do have games on the car. So we have Shuffle Puck, Match 3, Quiz, Sudoku, whatever title, and Spotify, Apple Music. And
For this POV drive, and I appreciate Drew for showing us around the car and letting me get a chance to film this vehicle. Congrats again, Drew.
Thank you.
This is
drag race.
There's not many of this car. No way.
So it will flash red and then green when you're doing if you want to do a launch control test or something like that as well.
Wow.
You got your telemetry.
Wow.
Make that big screen. Track race. You could do maps, all different types of maps and stuff like that. And you could do a braking, a quarter-mile test, and all that.
All right, so this is the vehicle we just did a POV drive on. Got the GLE. I want to show a split, but we got the GLE right here. It's the S right here, big body. What do you guys think about this color? It's really nice and clean. That was a C8. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned for the review on this vehicle, and there's going to be much more videos coming out on the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of POVs, and comment down below what you guys are trying to see. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.